Is a dishwasher high loop the best option? High loops are easy to install, cost-effective and discreet, effectively preventing backflow for dishwasher hygiene. Yet, if local codes mandate an air gap, or you seek optimal backflow prevention, an air gap may be a stronger choice. Both options aim to stop dirty water from returning to the dishwasher. Your choice should reflect personal needs, preferences, and local rules. Proper setup and upkeep are vital for any option chosen. What are the advantages of a dishwasher high loop compared to an air gap? A. Easy to install, cost-effective and discreet. B. Increases dishwasher noise. When might an air gap be a better choice than a high loop? A. If local codes require it or for optimal backflow prevention. B. For enhancing the dishwasher's drying performance.